just finished welding all the welds down underneath here. And then I've gone through with primer and sprayed all that, so when I'll start to put these floor panels in, they can go in permanently, so I don't need to go back down to that area. And next up, I'm looking at the radiator hose. So the top hose, should be able to run it down in here and just put some spiral wrap on there to stop it rubbing. I've got some P-clamps to hold it in place. Go down there under the floor, up through the front, which is pretty much the factory location. There's one of the old clips there. So I'll run it up through there and secure it all. But an issue I've got is now with this crossbar in, the radiator in its normal position, can't get the top hose there. So now I'm going to extend the bottom mounts up a little bit higher and then extend these out a little bit further and maybe mount them off there. So let's do that. So yeah, the radiator's come out pretty good, all mounted up with the new mounts, all raised up, good to go. So all I got to do is put some clamps on, run some more spiral wrap to stop it rubbing on the frame, and it's good to go. Next episode, I think we will start doing the wiring extension and mocking up the dash panel. So yeah, if you want to follow the bell, subscribe. See you then.